today, I am going to teach you drip sequences, how it differs from broadcast, and how to utilize it. So let's start. And we'll start in our bots menu page again and edit. And I'll just select sequences. So you might be wondering how sequences is actually different from broadcast. So sequences are the set of message that you can send as a series of text. So for example, it's like a thread that is sent on different dates. Meanwhile, broadcast is a one-time mass message. So in the sequence here, you can see that I already added mine, and you can add a new sequence every time. So let's see. So on this game sequence, I will show you the content. So you just have to edit the flow as usual. So for my game, so I made this game that like every day I will ask them a question, and if they got it right, they will receive a $3 discount on their next purchase. So for example, I asked them first if they want to continue and save changes. Right, so for those who chose yes, for example, I already added the question here and I gave them 3 options. And as you can see, the correct answer was actually letter C. So this is the congratulations message, like how they will be able to get their prize by confirming their email. So save. Well, the other 2 messages are try again or better luck next time message. Now let's go back to the game sequence. Right, so you might be wondering how a person will be subscribed to your sequence. So I'll show you. The first way is through automation. So remember our welcome message here. I will just edit it. Right, so type product block. So for example, I want those who buy my product to receive the sequence. So I'll just add another action. Subscribe sequence and select the sequence that you like. So game sequence and add. Alright, so once they click this button right here, they will automatically receive your game sequence. So save changes. Another option is to do it through live chat. So you can select which customer will receive your sequence. So for example, we will choose this one. And subscribe sequence, game sequence. Alright, so here, they already subscribed. So let's try and go back to our sequence again. So another difference of sequence from broadcast is that in broadcast, you can only schedule it one time, while in sequence, this will not start unless a customer has been subscribed to the sequence. So for example, in the schedule here, you will see the note here, user is subscribed to sequence, so only those users will receive this. So for example, I want them to receive this message as early as immediately. I want them to receive the message immediately after they have been subscribed. So update schedule. Right. So for you, of course, since this is a game 1, game 2, game 3, meaning day 1, day 2, day 3, you can edit it. You can edit it to be received on different days. So you can input the number of days here, or if you want to choose every minute or every hour or whatever your strategy is. So for me, let's choose 1 minute so that we can see how it works. So update schedule. And as you can see, you also have the option to turn this on and off. Like for example, you don't want to send out that certain sequence anymore, so you can just turn it off. Alright, so for me, I'll turn it on, and also this other one. Now let's try it. So go back to live chat. Remember that we had subscribed a certain customer to the sequence. Okay, so here. And now I'm going to wait for her to receive the message in her FB account. Okay, so right now I had transferred to my FB page and I'm just waiting for my message to be sent. So as you can see, just the way we scheduled it. So this is normal. It might take a while. Or see, it's already here. And say I like to continue. So yes, for example. And see, since I already knew the correct answer. And right, congratulations. And now we have to confirm our email. Right. Okay, so the bot already stored your information. And for the other message, then we just have to wait another minute to see if it will work. So while we're waiting, I'll show you that here in the audience, you can also monitor those who have subscribed to your sequences. So for example, this one, the game sequence. Just click on game and you will see the customers who had been receiving your sequence. So I already received the other message. Right, so for example, welcome to the second day of our game promo. Right, and that's it. That's how you use the sequences. So if you have any more questions, check out the other tutorial videos and see ya.